CPR is a life-saving skill, so why not make it as easy as possible to learn? CPRBOT is a smart device that aims to revolutionise CPR training. It is capable of measuring compression rate and depth, as well as ventilation pressure and head angle during mouth-to-mouth. LED indicators and a vibration feedback motor makes the training process simple and effective. CPRBOT is equipped with an intuitive web interface and communicates over Wi-Fi. We have gamified the training process by giving users a score after their training regime, as well as key improvement points. Alternative modes are available, such as stamina mode, where sustaining correct CPR technique is developed. The device is ideal for training large groups, with the web app supporting multiple dummies. The device is intuitive to use. When the device is ready, a blue LED will flash and a push can be delivered to start the round of compressions. A green LED is flashed for every correct compression, and the vibrator pulses with the ideal compression rate. Compressions that are too deep or lingering result in a red light, and a weak compression gives a yellow light. After 30 compressions, the head is tilted back to open the trachea and 2 breaths are given. If the breaths don't come quickly enough or are too weak, a red light shows. CPRBOT is the next step in CPR training, and we hope you join us in our pursuit to save lives.